In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom menu colors in Go High Level. First, sign in to your Go High Level sub-account. If you manage multiple locations, make sure you're inside the correct one, so your changes apply to the right site. Once you're in, head to the Websites area from the left-hand menu. This is where your websites are listed, separate from funnels, so you can quickly find the site you want to style. Choose the website you want to edit. For this walkthrough, imagine we're working on a standard business site. Open it and click Edit to launch the page builder. Give it a moment to load. Inside the builder, click directly on the specific menu or navigation section you want to change. This is often the header section. If your header is set as a global section, any changes you make here will automatically carry over to other pages using the same header, which is a great time saver. With the menu selected, look to the right settings panel. You'll see color options such as text color, background color, hover color, and active link color. Text color affects the menu item labels. Background color controls the bar or container behind the menu. Hover color appears when someone moves their cursor over a link, and active link color highlights the page a visitor is currently on. Keeping these consistent with your brand helps users navigate confidently. To create or store a custom color, click Add in the color control you're adjusting. Then pick your preferred color. You can drag within the color picker, move the hue slider, or enter a hex code if you have one from your brand guide. As you adjust, watch the live preview to confirm contrast and readability. A strong contrast between text and background is essential for accessibility. When you're happy with the selection, click Save. This locks in the change and ensures you won't lose your work. If you want to set additional colors, perhaps a different hover or active color, click Add again in the relevant color setting, choose your preferred color, and save once more. Repeat this for each state you want to customize so your menu looks polished and feels consistent across interactions. That's it. You've logged in, opened your website in the builder, selected the menu section, customized text, background, hover, and active colors by adding your chosen swatches, and saved your updates. A thoughtful color scheme not only strengthens your brand but also improves navigation and user experience. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.